Welcome to this 5-minute affirmation meditation for success. My name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven for less stress and more peace. I invite you to allow your eyes to close and make yourself comfortable, becoming aware of your breathing. Just observe the breath. No need to force it. Imagine each breath you breathe in a brilliant white light, filling every part of you, radiating bright white light. Breathe in the light, and with each breath out, all thoughts and feelings that do not serve you will be released. Breathe in the light, and with each breath out, any tension is gently being released. As you listen to the following words, all you need to do is relax and allow these words to override any thought patterns you currently have that do not serve you. Let's begin. I am in control of my future and will succeed. Nothing will stop me from creating success. I deserve to be successful and happy. I am grateful for the amount of success in my life. I am attracting great success and prosperity. Everything I do becomes a great success. I am inspired and motivated to achieve everything my heart desires. I am accomplishing great things. I am achieving my goals and becoming successful. Every day is filled with new opportunities for me to become successful. Everything is happening perfectly in my life. I am a magnet for abundance and success. I believe in myself. I am bold and courageous. I am committed to having great things happen in my life. I am an accomplished, successful person. Gently allow your eyes to open as you come back into the room, moving into your day or evening, feeling successful, positive, and relaxed.